Hello everybody, welcome back to my 15-minute friends. In today's lesson, we are going to learn appointment. Appointment. In French, you can say les rendezvous. Les rendezvous. Appointment. Okay? So, as usual, you have to do some warm-up. Say the day of the week. Say it's 3 o'clock. What the friend for today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So when you want to say the day of the week, you can start from lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. When you want to say it's 3 o'clock, you can say il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. When you want to say today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, yesterday, hier. Okay? So there are some useful phrases. When you want to say let's meet tomorrow, you can say prenons rendez-vous pour demain. Okay? Let's meet tomorrow. You can say prenons rendez-vous pour demain. With whom? Avec qui? With whom? Avec qui? Where are you? When are you free? When are you free? Quand êtes-vous libre? Quand êtes-vous libre? When are you free? Okay? I'm sorry, I'm busy. Je suis désolé. Je suis occupé. So when you say je suis désolé without e here, because mean the person who is speaking is a man. Okay? Masculine. And when you say je suis désolé with e here, because mean je. Here is feminine. Because in French we have some for example, some regulation, so you have to respect. Okay, je suis occupé without e when man is talking, and when you want to say je suis occupé with e at the end of the sentence, because it means je here is feminine. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm busy. Je suis désolé. Je suis occupé. How about Thursday? How about Thursday? You can say pourquoi pas jeudi? Pourquoi pas jeudi? Okay. That's good for me. C'est bon pour moi. Okay? C'est bon pour moi. That's good because it means c'est bon. Okay. For me, pour moi. Handshake. Handshake. In French, you can say la poignée de main. La poignée de main. Welcome. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Okay. I will read the sentence in French again for you. Prenons rendez-vous pour demain. Avec qui? Quand êtes-vous libre? Je suis désolé. Je suis occupé. Pourquoi pas jeudi? C'est bon pour moi. Le poignet de main. Bienvenue. Okay. So look at the example in conversation. So when you want to say bonjour, j'ai un rendez-vous, because mean hello, I have an appointment. Avec qui? With who? Avec Monsieur Leblanc. With Monsieur Leblanc. Okay? Très bien. À quelle heure? Okay. What time? À 3 heures, mais je suis un peu en retard. At 3 o'clock, but I'm a little bit late. Ne vous inquiétez pas, asseyez-vous, je vous en prie. Don't worry, sit down, please. Okay? Don't worry, sit down, please. You can say, ne vous inquiétez pas, asseyez-vous, je vous en prie. Okay, let's practice. When you want to say, you have to read the sentence and you have to reply the sentence. Okay, sorry, I'm busy. For example, you have to translate this sentence to French. For example, prenons rendez-vous pour jeudi. Let's meet on Thursday. So you have to say, sorry, I'm busy. So this sentence you can say in French, je suis désolé, je suis occupé. Okay, je suis désolé, je suis occupé. Quand êtes-vous libre? Because it means when are you free? And you have to reply Tuesday afternoon, mardi après-midi. mardi après-midi. C'est bon pour moi. That's good for me. You can ask what time. So you have to say à quelle heure. À quelle heure. À 4 heures. À 4 heures. Si c'est bon pour vous. À 4 heures, si c'est bon pour vous. At 4 o'clock, is that's good for you? It's good for me too, okay? So you have to say, c'est bon pour moi, c'est bon pour moi, okay? So I will read the sentence in French for you again, okay? Prenons rendez-vous pour jeudi, je suis désolé, je suis occupé. Quand êtes-vous libre? Mardi après-midi. C'est bon pour moi? À quelle heure? À 4 heures, si c'est bon pour vous. C'est bon pour moi, okay? So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy very much with this video. And if you think this video is useful, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.